Business owners and managers, please hear me out. It is a new day and a new game. So much has changed. We are faced with big issues and changes no one has ever seen before. You're going to need a new perspective, new ideas, and candid input. We're going to make exactly that available to you. We're going to throw in fresh and relevant input, new direction, guidance gained from proven experience, guidance from people that share your values and concerns. Plus, we're going to give you a shot at achieving up to 40% higher revenues. We're the Alternative Board, Idaho Advanced Manufacturing, and the Marketing Authority. We're a group of local companies whose interest is to help Idaho businesses perform better, operate more efficiently, recover from recent difficulties. If you want better answers, greater understanding, clearer foresight, and wiser guidance, please join us for an in-depth roundtable discussion. It's happening on Tuesday, June 30th from 10 a.m. to noon. We'll be meeting at Zion Bank, downtown Boise. Please join us. Register today or call me if you have questions, 208-960-0880. I'd be pleased and excited to talk with you and get you accelerated on the road to recovery and success. Have a great day.